Hey guys, Digital David here, back for another video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing a Lanmu. It's a memory card case holder. Really excited about this. I have a bunch of different memory cards from your standard size SD to your micro SD that I use in photography and video. So this is really cool, great little product. Wish I had this earlier, but they did send me this to review on my channel. I'm really excited to take a hands-on look on it. You can purchase it off Amazon. The link will be in my video description below. Go ahead, you can check that out now. See some reviews, order it yourself. Here's how it will come packaged to you. Really awesome packaging, great product photography to showcase 5 SD cards and then 2 of the micro SD cards. So just really a cool little case. Shows its weight, dimension, 7 card slots. Its barcode. So here's how it comes packaged. Again, Lanmu is the brand. It's not going to break your budget, so go ahead, check out Amazon's most current price. And in regards to build, we're going to open this up and see how we like it. Here it is. Initially, it's actually bigger than I thought it would be. I think just looking at the photo, I thought it'd be smaller, but if they're going to hold that many cards, it's got to be this big. So here is how it shows: memory card case, Lanmu, sticker on there. And then it's really a cool just cutout design of what you can see. So we have slots for 6 of the micro SD cards, and we'll go ahead and see if it just slides right in. Perfect, slides right in. That was really easy. And then we got a slot for your regular SD card. So it looks like 3 regular SD in this one, and then 1/6 of the micro SD card slot. So really cool. That's what you can get stored in this. And then you can push them out, which is nice. It's a nice design. You can access them from this side. So if you really wanted to try to just pull out one, you could if you knew how you stored them. They also have this nice little fingernail groove right here that makes it a lot easier to get them in and out. And then lastly, they send us a keychain lanyard that you could put on, so if you wanted to carry this with your keys or something along those lines, a backpack, that sort of thing, we can thread this through, or we can hook it on right here, and now we can just tote it around. So really a cool memory card case and holder. Really excited about this. They did a great job. You can just see them right there. Pretty easy to get them in, even easier to slide them right out. I love that they got that little push-up spot right there so you can get it out. There they come, and then they can go right back in, and you can take all that with you. So really a cool holder. Go ahead, check it out. Also hit that like, sub, comment. Look forward to talking with you guys in the chat, and I will see you all in my next video.